First of all, I want to give you that relationship between the main subject of Surah Al-Jum'ah and this, hikmat and ahkam of Jum'ah, the wisdom and the commandments about the Jum'ah prayers. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was sent, as we have seen in Surah Al-Saf, to make the deen of Allah supreme. For that, he was given Quran, with which he could change the persons first, individuals first, changing their thinking, changing their morals, changing their attitudes, changing their values, changing their character. So actually with this, he could accomplish the mission that was assigned to him of making the deen of Allah supreme. But because he was sent not for the Arabian Peninsula only, not for the Arab only, but for the whole of humanity. So this mission had to be continued after him also. And after his death, this mission was to be taken over by his Jumma to make the deen of Allah supreme over the whole of the globe, whole of the earth. Now for that purpose, to continue the same function that the Prophet was performing in his lifetime, يَتْلُو عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِهِ وَيُزَكِّيهِمْ وَيُعَلِّمُهُمُ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحِكْمَةَ. A system of adult education was given, that every week Muslims should gather, the day of assembly. They should gather in the best of the circumstances. They should celebrate it as their Eid, as their annual function or weekly function. So, and there, some imam, some naib, and imam actually is the naib of Rasul. The member we call member of Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. This member belongs to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Whosoever stands over it, he is actually doing the same function that the Prophet used to do in his lifetime. This continuous process, يَتْلُو عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِهِ وَيُزَكِّيهِمْ وَيُعَلِّمُهُمُ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحِكْمَةَ, that became eternal, so that the revolutionary ideology that should remain fresh in the minds of the Muslims, their aims and objects should remain on their conscious level of their brains and thinking. They should know that they have to live for Allah and die for Allah. And their goal in life is to make the deen of Allah supreme. For this purpose, this is a system of adult education. And for that, every week Muslims are required to gather together, and then they should be reminded and be renewed, their zeal should be renewed, their ideology should be reminded, so that they have in their minds and they have before them the goal that which they have to accomplish, and that is to make the deen of Allah supreme.